All right, guys, so I have thought about the perfect way to imitate this sentence. Remember, when you're imitating, I want you to try to write a sentence with that compound predicate, where it has the more than one predicate, but still only one subject. So here's mine. The students, that's my subject, and I'm going to tell two things that you're doing. The students typed and sent in their final draft in Google Drive. Okay, and if you haven't, you should. Okay, so you typed and sent in your final draft in Google Drive. So you did two things. You typed it in Google Drive and you sent it in Google Drive. That was your compound predicate.